Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners. English, Hindi and Urdu verbs meaning starting with K. Let's start. Keep, रखना. Keep, रखना. Kick, kick मारना, लात मारना. Kick, लात मारना. Kid, मजाक करना. Kid, मजाक करना. Kill, मार डालना. Kill, मार डालना. Kiss, चूमना. Kiss, चूमना. नील, झुकना. नील, झुकना. knit, बुनना. knit, बुनना. knock, दस्तक देना. knock, दस्तक देना. know, जानना. know, जानना. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. iFactioner.